Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a course on the Breeze application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the courses button down below, which is the second option. Then you should select from these courses organized into categories such as rainy days, anxiety reference, panic disorder, laziness, waste, love, happy hormones, and so on. So tap on a relevant course that you want to start. Here you can read about it, then click on the start button. As you can see, many of them are logged, meaning that you can unlock them if you purchase the premium. But if you have found one that is for free, tap on the right side of the screen to proceed, and then you should take a quiz, and here you can see that you have completed the course. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.